Hello and welcome to geometry. If you have not done so, you need to go and print off the syllabus, and this is us going through the syllabus together. So here we go. First thing you notice is the grading policy. 40% quarter one, 40% quarter two, 20% final. That's how it stands right now. We'll see what happens, but that is the plan. And then for this particular class, we've got 20% of your grade is going to be homework / Kahoot. Get into that in just a second. And 80% will be tests and quizzes. So for this weird time that we're in, we're going to do what's called a flipped classroom. And what that means is a typical classroom, you go to class, you get the lesson, you go home, you do the assignment. So we're flipping that, which means you're going to go to class and do the assignment, and then you go home and the homework is to watch the next lesson. Alright, so that's how it works. And that will, who knows if this is going to last, if we go to e-learning fully. This will prepare us for that. It's not ideal, but actually maybe some of you will like it. It's because your homework is to watch the lesson and fill the notes out. And then you come to class, you just do your assignment in class, so everybody should get their homework done. If you're online, you have to submit the assignment for the class before the end of class. Alright, you can also work ahead if you want. Let's see here, that's the flipped classroom. More about that on here if you'd like. For the assignments, for the homework, each assignment is worth 5 points. And each assignment will have a corresponding Kahoot or some type of Canvas check that will be worth 2 points. So altogether the lesson is worth 7 points, 5 for the homework and 2 for the check. The check will be how I'm going to be taking attendance. Alright, so you have to do the check before the end of the class. In fact, I'm going to make you have to do it before 10 minutes before the end of class, because that's the way I can take attendance by the end of class. Okay? So yeah, assignments, you can turn them in late, but you have to email it to me, because if you turn them in late and I've already went through Canvas and graded them, I'm not going to know that you turned it in. Okay? So it's just going to be sitting in Canvas, and I don't check that every day. Okay, so if you're going to turn something in late, you need to email it to me instead of putting it in Canvas, and then we'll figure it out from there. Or this is a team class, and so we have Mrs. Leffert in the class, and we can email it to her as well, and she can figure it out. Team class meeting, there's 2 of us in here working out the kinks. So you have to submit any late work before the test, or else I will not allow it. Cheating results in a 0, and you're not going to learn if you cheat, so don't do that. And I catch people every year cheating, and it's a mess. For the Kahoot, you'll have to get online. There'll be links for it, so check that out on Canvas. You just click it and play it. If you get more correct than you get wrong, you get your 2 out of 2. If you get more wrong than you get correct, you get a 1 out of 2, and if you did not play, you get a 0 out of 2. If you're absent and it comes back as an excused absence, then you're exempt from that Kahoot. Well, actually not anymore, because you can just go online and take it. So yeah, don't really need to be exempt. You can just go online and take it anytime you want. The tests and quizzes, if I catch you cheating on a test and quiz, you get a 0 without the chance for makeup. So if it's a 50-question test and I catch you cheating on one of them, you get a 0 on the whole test. And then I'll send an email to your parents. It'll be awkward for you. I'll send an email to administration. It'll be awkward again. So you don't want to cheat. Quizzes are going to be 50 points in the grade book, and tests will be 100 points in the grade book. So therefore, quizzes are half as much as tests. Final exemptions. So there's a chance that if you do well enough, you won't have to take the final. Here's the rule: top 3 average quarter grades over 90%. gets you exempt the final. So two things: you got to be in the top 3, and you have to be above a 90% to exempt the final. Class materials: you need a scientific calculator. It's best. One second. This.
Robert Williams, please call the library.
This is the TI-30X2S. It's the most common. If you go to Walmart, you'll see it, or wherever you go, Amazon, and just get one of these so that way you don't have to be sharing with people, and you don't got to be spreading your germs and that sort of thing. Also, you will want a class folder to keep your notes in. Keep your notes on one side, keep your homework on the other side. There you go. And then you're going to want some loose leaf paper for doing your homework. There will be several lessons where graph paper will be really helpful. I just like to do my homework on graph paper regardless of if I need it or not, because it's nice. Bonus points. There'll probably be bonus points on tests, and if you do all of your homework for the semester, you get a semester exam grade bump of 5%. Rules: number 1, enjoy your education. Hopefully you're having fun and enjoying it. Okay. Number 2, be respectful, pay attention, and do your work. Number 3, don't be a distraction. If you are, you go sit in the hall. Not going to send you down to the AP office. They've got more stuff to deal with. Well, if it comes to that, then I'm really mad at you if I'm sending you to the AP office. I'm going to send you in the hall, and you're going to miss out on your education. Number 4, no cell phones, earbuds, or other toys unless I give you permission. Okay, there will be times when it's okay to use a cell phone, but you just need to ask me, or else I will take it away. No food, because things get sticky. No drinks, again, because things get sticky. You can have water in a spill-proof container is the only exception. Come prepared. Computers need to be charged. Use the bathroom before class or at a break, if I give us one. And don't line up at the door at the end of class, or else I will mark you tardy. So that's the class. It's going to be a little bit of an experiment this year with everything going on, but this is how it's going. All right. Hope for the best.